Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. In today's video, I'm really excited to show you guys the ultimate hack to long curly hair, and that's using curly hair extensions. I'm going to show you how I style them and how I apply them to my hair. You guys know I'm on a journey to grow my hair back out. I really want my hair to be long again, and before I used to use straight hair extensions and curl them with a wand, but I found curly hair extensions that match my hair really well and just save so much time because they're already curly. So today I'm going to show you how I style them and how I clip them into my hair for long and luscious curls. I also do want to thank Bebonia for sponsoring today's video. So I received 2 sets of the curly natural black hair extensions. They're each 22 inches and 110 grams. So I first just opened the little section of the package to make sure the color and texture matched my hair. Once you open the full package, you're unable to return or exchange. So definitely use that little piece of hair to check if it's a good match before you open the full package. So for me, I thought the color and texture was a really good match, so I went ahead and washed them. I'm going to be using the TJN Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo and also their co-wash conditioner and detangler. So I went ahead and washed and conditioned the extensions. They definitely don't come ready to use. You'll get a way better result if you take your time to just wash, condition, and style. This will remove all those little crinkles and like the bends from being packaged. So you definitely want to wash and style them in order to get that nice curly texture back. So after washing them, I just laid them out on my microfiber towel, and I'm gonna go ahead and style them using the Ouidad Climate Control Gel. So I unraveled every single weft, and I'm just raking the gel through every section in order to apply the product evenly. I'm just using the rake and scrunch method, and then you guys will see I'm also gonna go in with my Tangle Teaser a little bit later to get a more defined curl. There's different ways you can go about styling these. You can also finger coil them in order to get a really nice spiral curl. But the way that I styled mine today, I thought matched my curl pattern really well. Once you're done styling, you can leave them out overnight to dry, but you can also use a diffuser if you want the process to be a little bit quicker, and that's what I decided to do. So I'm gonna go ahead with my diffuser. I have it on a warm temperature, and I'm trying to just be really gentle so that I don't cause any extra frizz, the same way that I would be really gentle with my natural hair. So these are what the curly hair extensions are looking like now that they're washed, styled, and dried. And this is what they look like against my natural hair. They are a little bit darker, but towards the end of my hair, I do feel like it's a little bit lighter. My natural hair is a little bit lighter. I just have these like little lighter pieces from being highlighted, but it'll definitely blend really nicely overall. So I'm gonna go ahead and start clipping them in. Okay, so this is a fresh wash and go. If you guys want to see how I styled my hair, I actually used my 2-product curly hair routine. I'll link it up above. I posted it a few weeks ago at this point, but that is what I did to style my hair today. So I'm gonna just go ahead and kind of separate some of the bigger chunks of curls because I did run the Tangle Teaser through my hair. Okay, I think that's good, and we're gonna get started with clipping in the extensions. I'm going to start from the back at the nape of my neck. So I'm just gonna clip my hair up. I'm gonna be starting with a 3-clip weft, and I'm gonna be putting this upside down at the nape of my neck so that when I pull my hair forward, you don't see that I have an extension. And then I'm just gonna let some of my natural hair lay on top of that extension. You also kind of have to play around with your placement of the extension. I'm gonna put a 4 clip in because I feel like it'll just make my hair look more balanced on the bottom. And if your hair or the extensions start to get a little bit frizzy as you're applying them, you can always spray some more water in your hair to reactivate the product that's already in there. So I'm gonna put a little bit of water because I feel like my natural hair especially is getting a little frizzy from all the pulling and separating that I'm doing. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible, but it's kind of inevitable that there's gonna be some frizz as you're separating. And I'm almost done. It's actually looking really good. I honestly feel like this is what my long hair looked like, and I'm really surprised at how well these blend into my natural hair. I have 1 3 clip weft left, and then the rest are just the little double ones that I'm going to put. I probably won't use all of them, but I'm gonna put those at the top of my head. So this one I'm gonna put right up the crown of my head. And then I'm gonna put 2 double clip wefts on the sides. Not only are extensions good for length, but you just get so much more volume when you use the extensions, and I love it. I love it. I'm going to be applying the last 2 wefts to the sides of my hair. I'm actually gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of water. I freaking love the way that this looks. Like, I'm so excited. Wait, cause this actually looks so good. Like extensions wear. It's natural. Okay, and this is what it's looking like from the back. Like, look at this curl pattern. It literally looks like my hair. I'm gonna pull my hair forward, and I don't know. I mean, I can't see the back of my head, but let me know if you guys can see any extensions on the back of my head. I feel like I could feel one right here, but I think that's the one that's flipped, and that was the point so that you don't see it, so hopefully you can't see it. Long hair just does something too, because why do I feel like that girl right now? Like, I cannot wait until my hair is long again, and I'm really excited to just start using these extensions more often because, and I wish I would have kept track of the time, but I don't think that took me more than like 20 minutes to do, so it's a fairly quick process as long as you style them beforehand, but I absolutely love the end result. My head does feel a little bit heavy, but I did apply 2 packs of hair, so I really like this end result, but I wonder what it would look like if I only applied 1 or maybe like 1.5 packs of hair. But I'm definitely going to be reusing these, so I'll play around with how many pieces I use and see if I get like a different result or if it feels any different, you know. I did mention earlier I have the curly curl pattern, and there are 2 other curl patterns you can choose from. There's spiral and ringlet. So spiral is like a looser curl, maybe like 2C, and then ringlet for a tighter curl. I feel like with their curl pattern options and the way that you style them, you should be able to find a really good curl pattern match for your hair. So they also have these little satin baggies you can use to store your extensions. It kind of does look like a bonnet, but it's like a silky material, and it'll protect your extensions the same way that a bonnet would protect your hair at night. This is really good quality. Like, it looks super luxe and fancy, and even the logo they have here is like embroidered in there, so it's really, really good material. So this is going to be the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this one. I really did enjoy making this video and just doing my hair today because it came out so good, and I'm I'm excited to go take some little pictures. I'm filming on a Friday. I feel like I need to go out and do something now that I look cute. But the way these gas prices are set up, I'm not going anywhere. But make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I'll also have all of Bebonia's information down in the description box below, so definitely check them out. Pick up some hair extensions. You can also try out their curly hair ponytails, which is really cool. They have like ponytail extensions, so that's something that I would like to try as well in the future. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.